Handprint swans. The swan is such a graceful bird. Let us make this handprint swan together. You will need white poster paint, crayons, paintbrush, black bindi. Paint your palm with white paint. Slowly dab it on the page to make the body of the swan as shown. Lift it gently to see the print below. Repaint your thumb with white paint and dab it to make the head of the swan. Stick a black bindi to make the eyes. Color the beak orange. Make waves in the water with a blue crayon. The handprint swan looks so graceful.